Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new Mosqlimate digital platform, an initiative that integrates data, science, and technology to support the surveillance and forecasting of mosquito-borne diseases in Brazil. If you work in public health, epidemiology, modeling, or management, this tool was designed specifically for you. Throughout this video, I'll show you what the platform is, how it works, and how you can use it in your daily routine. Before we begin, to access all the features, you need to log into our platform, whether it's through Gmail, GitHub, or GitLab. Now let's explore each section a bit. On the home page, we present the platform's objective and its two main products, which are the database and also the comparative dashboards. In addition, we showcase our expertise and introduce a bit of our team. At the bottom of the page, you can change the site's theme to light or dark, view our citation, and also find our contact information. In the dashboard section, you can upload your models to the platform at any time, choosing between the general option or the MDC event option. So let's click here so we can take a look. You can select the available disease, which in this case is only dengue for now, whether the cases are probable or reported cases. We also select by municipal, state, or national level. In this case, only the municipal level is available. To compare models, whether it's your own model if you upload it to the platform or those already uploaded, we can select all of them. And then we see that these models display the forecasts, which are the colored lines, the observed data, which are the white dots, and here at the bottom, we have the error metrics, comparing the predicted values with the observed data. And why is this data important? We can answer questions, for example, how close the forecasts are to the observed data and how behavior varies between regions. In the model section, you can examine each model or set of models from the same person in detail. For example, in this person's collection of models, they are able to upload their entire README file, along with all of the descriptive information, the specific type of data that is used, the category, and the resolution. In the Predictions tab, we have the dashboard specifically for one type of model that this person uploaded. And here at the bottom, you can see all the others which were also uploaded by the same person. In addition, we have the intervals, the model entirely in table format, and we can also download it in CSV format. In the dataset section or data store, you'll find the data available for download on the platform. But not just the data, also previews in dashboards for the selection of the municipality you choose. So we can see that we have disease case data for the three main diseases: dengue, Zika, and Chikungunya, climate data, Conta Ovos project data, and Episcanner data. Let's take a look at the right bar here. On the right side, you can select the disease, the city, and a start and end period. And the time series for that disease in that period in the municipality you selected will be generated in this dashboard, as well as the effective reproductive number. Additionally, you can also request to download this data in CSV or JSON format, but it's important to note, you must be logged into the page. We've also included information on the description of how this data is formed, how it's processed, and a link to the documentation of this process, as well as the source site. In the data dictionary, you can see all the available variables that you can download. This presented layout appears for all data, as I've already mentioned, but the dashboards are different. Here we have temperature, maximum, minimum, average, the municipality's precipitation, and the relative humidity and pressure of that municipality. For the Conta Ovos and Episcanner data, we don't have a dashboard for now, but we can already download the data. In the About Us section, you can find information about the Mosqlimate project team behind this platform, with epidemiologists, data scientists, and students from various fields, and all of their curriculum information as well. In the Publications section, you can see the link to our YouTube channel. In addition, find information about all our publications involving the project throughout all the years of the project, all academic works, and also the link to all the modeling seminars that were recorded. In the docs or documentation section, you can see the full description of how the platform works, how we built the data, and also details of the project package, which will also be explained in a future video. In the IMTC section, which is our last section, we have a link to our site for the annual ModelArt event, which involves Brazilian teams and teams from several countries for dengue prediction in Brazil. The most innovative point of our platform is our artificial intelligence, Mosqlimate, which is in the right corner, where you can click and ask questions like, where can I get the dengue data? And it will respond by explaining where you can see the documentation, how you can download it, and it adapts to any language you type. If you type in English, it will give you the answer in English, in Spanish as well. Well, this is our platform. Any questions, please contact us. Like and share. See you in the next videos.